Cherie, and I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. Not really a get ready with me, I'm just doing my hair. I'm doing this install. And FYI, I know I may not be the best wig installer, but I mean, you know, I'm working on it. I will get better. I know I will get better. But if y'all want to see how I created this look, keep watching. Shay out.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah,
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.